Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about React components. React components form the foundation of a React application, functioning as customizable HTML elements with unique behaviors and attributes. For instance, a website may have a header component that encapsulates the site's header section. This component can possess its own unique functionalities and styling, helping to create a modular and reusable structure within the application. By breaking down the user interface into components, developers can enhance code maintainability, scalability, and efficiency in the development process. Components in React can be either functional or class-based. Functional components are simple functions that return JSX elements. On the other hand, class-based components are ES6 classes that extend from the React component class. For example, in Python, a functional component could be written as a function that returns JSX code like the myComponent function. Meanwhile, a class-based component would involve creating a class that extends React.component and implements a render method, as demonstrated with the myComponent class example. Both types of components serve the same purpose in React, to encapsulate UI elements and their logic. While functional components are more lightweight and often used for simple presentational purposes, class-based components offer additional features like state and lifecycle methods for handling more complex logic and interactivity in the application. Components in web development are essential building blocks of applications. They allow for code reusability and aid in constructing intricate user interfaces by combining smaller components together. Each component in a system can have its own state and props, enabling customization and dynamic behavior. For instance, in Python, a simple example would be creating an app component that includes smaller components like header, content, and footer, all of which contribute to the overall structure and functionality of the application. Through this modular approach, developers can efficiently manage and scale applications by breaking them down into manageable and reusable parts. Props play a crucial role in transferring data from a parent component to a child component in a React application. When props are passed through multiple layers of nested components, it is known as prop drilling. Prop drilling can create a deep nesting structure, making it challenging to manage and update the components. For instance, in a scenario where a parent component passes data to a child component, which then forwards it to a grandchild component, prop drilling is evident. The intricate hierarchy of passing data down through each component level can potentially result in a cumbersome and less maintainable codebase. In the provided Python example, the data starts from the parent component and flows down to the child component and grandchild component through props. While this approach works for small applications, it can become unwieldy in more extensive projects. Developers should be cautious about excessive prop drilling and consider alternative methods like React Context or state management libraries to streamline data flow within components efficiently. React components are like ingredients in a recipe. Just like how you can mix and match different ingredients to create a delicious dish, you can combine different components to build a beautiful user interface. Each component serves a specific purpose, just like how each ingredient adds a unique flavor or texture to a dish. By organizing and arranging the components correctly, you can create a visually appealing and functional application, just like following a recipe to create a tasty meal. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The header component is a React functional component that displays a welcome message at the top of the page within an HTML header element. The message, "Welcome to my recipe app," is rendered inside an H1 heading tag. The navigation component is a functional component that creates a navigation bar within an HTML nav element. It contains an unordered list UL with list items li for home, recipes, about, and contact. The recipe component is a functional component that takes in props for the name of the recipe, an array of ingredients, and the cooking instructions. It displays the recipe name in an H2 heading tag, lists the ingredients in an unordered list YUL, and provides the cooking instructions in a paragraph P tag. Lastly, the app component serves as the main component where the header, navigation, and recipe components are rendered. The app component combines these components to create a simple recipe app interface showcasing a specific recipe pasta carbonara with its ingredients and instructions. By breaking down the UI into smaller reusable components like header, navigation, and recipe, the code follows the principles of React componentization, promoting better organization, reusability, and maintainability. This modular approach allows for easy composition and building of complex user interfaces effortlessly, certainly. React components are extensively used in various industries and real-world applications. Let's discuss two examples. 1. E-commerce platform. In an e-commerce platform, React components can be utilized for building various sections such as product listings, shopping cart, user reviews, and checkout process. Each component can be designed to display specific information and functionalities related to the e-commerce operations. For instance, a product card component can display product details like name, price, and an add to cart button. These components help in creating a seamless shopping experience for customers by providing an interactive and user-friendly interface. 2. Dashboard for data analytics. React components are commonly employed to construct dashboards for data analytics tools. Different components can represent data visualizations like charts, graphs, and tables showcasing key metrics and insights. Users can customize the layout by adding, removing, or resizing these components based on their preferences. For instance, a line chart component can display the sales trend over time, while a bar chart component can represent the distribution of revenue across different product categories. By utilizing React components, data analytics dashboards can offer a comprehensive view of complex data in a structured and organized manner. In conclusion, React components play a crucial role in developing versatile and interactive interfaces for diverse applications across industries, enhancing user engagement and overall user experience. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.